ICICI Bank is under fire after sharply raising the minimum average monthly balance for savings accounts opened after August to Rs 50,000. The users are calling it anti-consumer and urging the Reserve Bank of India to step in. What exactly is the minimum account balance? The minimum account balance is the lowest amount that one must maintain in a savings account throughout the month to avoid a penalty. Banks establish a specific requirement depending on the type of account and the location of the branch. So, according to the lender's official website, in metro and urban regions, the minimum average monthly balance now stands at Rs 50,000 from the previous Rs 10,000. For semi-urban branches, it is Rs 25,000 from Rs 5,000, and in rural branches, the requirement has been doubled to Rs 10,000 from Rs 5,000. Therefore, if customers fail to maintain the revised minimum account balance, they will be charged 6% of the shortfall in the required MAB or Rs 500, whichever is lower. Earlier, the penalty amount was Rs 450 based on the difference between the minimum balance and the location of the branch. According to an NDTV report, the move is aimed to increase the premium customer base, and bank is looking to build a customer base like some large foreign banks. In addition to the minimum balance requirement, ICICI Bank has updated its service charges for cash transactions as well. Customers can now make 3 complimentary cash deposits at branches and cash recycler machines each month. After that, each transaction will cost Rs 150. There is a total monthly limit of Rs 1 lakh for free deposits. Exceeding this will incur a fee of Rs 3.5 per Rs 1000 or Rs 150, whichever is higher. Additionally, third-party transaction deposits are limited to Rs 25,000 per transaction. On X and Reddit, users are urging RBI intervention, citing affordability concerns and alleging the change could exclude students, pensioners and gig workers who maintain fluctuating balances.
आपने अभी ग्रामीण भारत को बैंक से जोड़ने की बात करें, लेकिन आईसीआईसीआई बैंक ने जो मिनिमम बैलेंस रखने की बात की है, क्या आप उसको पुनर्विचार करने के लिए बोलेंगे?
देखो, ये जो मिनिमम बैलेंस की जो बात है, जो मिनिमम बैलेंस का जो आप बात कर रहे हो, वो उसके अंदर में रिजर्व बैंक ने सभी बैंकों के ऊपर में छोड़ा है कि वो किस प्रकार का मिनिमम बैलेंस वो रखना चाहते हैं। तो अब किसी बैंक ने 10,000 रखा है, किसी ने 2,000 रुपये ने माफ़ भी किया हुआ है, लेकिन ये रेगुलेटरी डोमेन में नहीं है आज।
तो सर, रसिया के ऊपर सर अगर हमारा तेल निर्यात अगर बंद हो जाएगा।
Here's what some social media users pointed out. Jay Kotak said that every Indian must access our financial sector. 90% of India makes less than 25,000 rupees a month. A Rs 50,000 minimum balance implies a sum equal to 94% of Indians' monthly income is to be left with the bank at all times. Else, a fee. The implication is that physical cost to serve may be high, digital first is the way, and if banks don't do it, fintechs will. Banking should be for all Indians. Another user pointed out that majority of Indians earn below Rs 25,000 monthly, so ICICI Bank wants them to keep 2 months' salary as minimum balance in their account. This is sheer loot and thuggery of middle-class money by the bank. Are they facing some sort of liquidity crunch? Users also criticize that the new India is burdened to middle-class people and the bank is making a bold decision in a country where 89% of the people earn a monthly income of less than Rs 20,000. Some even called it the worst decision by the bank. Many posts also outline plans to close ICICI accounts, shift salary credits or downgrade to zero balance alternatives like salary accounts or Jan Dhan style offerings. Consumer advocates note that while banks can price services, abrupt hikes without phased timelines or clear exemptions risk eroding trust. So what should customers watch out for? Well, check your specific account type and branch category. Some variants may have different requirements or waiver conditions. Review non-maintenance fee slabs, which typically scale with the shortfall amount. Explore converting to zero balance salary accounts if eligible, or migrating to basic savings account deposit accounts that carry no minimum balance but have transaction limits. Finally, monitor any RBI guidelines, which pricing is market-driven. Regulator scrutiny can influence disclosure standards and customer protection expectations. For more news and updates, keep watching Live Mint.